Okay, ladies, I'm curious to know if you've heard the good news. If you haven't, I'll be the first to let you know. Nadula hair is getting a whole brand upgrade. From the packaging and the free gifts to the website, everything is in with the new and out with the old. I've gotten a sneak peek at the brand new website, and it's going to be super simple and easy for you to navigate. With their super fun and easy to remember slogan, "My hair, my way," you'll definitely be able to hashtag "My hair, my way" all over your favorite social media accounts, especially when you're rocking your Nadula hair tresses. Today I've teamed up with Nadula Hair for a all new hair tutorial, and I'll be sharing with you guys this brand new 7x5 Jerry Curly 20-inch lace wig. It even has the coily edges to set it off. I'll be giving you a start to finish straight out of the box install, and as you guys can see, this one is super poppin'. So if you want to see how we got this look, let's get started. Okay, love bugs, jumping right into the video. This is the wig straight out of the box. It has a pre-everything vibe. So you have the pre-cut lace, pre-bleached knots, and you also have the pre-plucked hairline. And that hairline also is set off with the coily edges. They have it set as a center part. And this is a look at the inside construction of the cap. As you guys can see, that 7x5 lace is popping. They even included the adjustable, removable elastic band. So let's put her on and try her on for size. So this is what she looks like on, and straight out of the box, I can tell she fits glueless. I love the 20 inches on this one because of the shrinkage. It gives a nice, like, cute, natural curly look, and it's gonna look super cute once you go ahead and install and style at all your products. Here is a closer look at the hairline. As I mentioned, they do include the coily edges. If you want an option that doesn't have the coily edges, of course they have you covered, but I do like these because especially on days when you just want to put the wig on, leave it glueless and go, this definitely is a great way to camouflage that hairline and have you looking super unclockable. You can definitely switch up the parting with this one. As you guys can see, when you set it as a side part, it's absolutely fire. It might even be a vibe for the weekend. We're going buzz down middle part today, and we can literally switch it up tomorrow to a completely different style. Here's a look at the hair from the back. Hashtag my hair my way, but also hashtag the shrinkage is real. You guys can see this one is nice and full. You don't have to worry about it being like sparse or skimpy at all. And of course, the curls are popping. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into the install and style. I'm going to start off by pulling the hair back with some alligator clips. What do you call these? Crocodile clips or alligator clips? I literally call them interchangeably both. I think I started off by calling them alligator clips, and then crocodile clips came up and I thought that was more cool. But anyways, whatever you choose to call them, this wig fits glueless, and that's all that matters. So I went ahead and tamed my sideburns with a little bit of edge control, and now we can work on the hairline. I went ahead and combed out the hairline a little bit just so that you can see what we're working with. As you guys can see, when you kind of separate the curls, it definitely has a very nice pre-plucked look. I went in and just plucked them down a little bit for my own liking. You definitely don't have to do this step. Today I am drinking an espresso martini from Trader Joe's in a cup. I added my own espresso to the mixed drink can, and then I added a little bit of cold foam, and it's actually super fire. Maybe I'll show you guys that in an upcoming video. But back to the install. For today's install, I just did a very light layer of this adhesive melting spray from Kiss, and then I'm gonna go in and put the lace on top. Once we got that how we like it, you guys can see, since this one fits glueless, you don't have to blow dry it or hold it down. It can literally air dry on its own. So before we go ahead and add the melt belt, we will go ahead and play with the baby hair. With the coily edges, it can be tricky for some people, but it's definitely super simple and easy. Even if it seems intimidating, you guys can see I'm just using a little bit of mousse to kind of sort of wet the curls and get them how I like it. And then I'm going in with the comb to kind of like separate and pull them apart and trimming them shorter. I don't want to have to really do the baby hair on a day-to-day basis, so having the curly, coily edges is a lifesaver. Once you get them exactly how you like it, you'll be able to take the wig on and off on a daily basis, and they literally will camouflage that hairline. So once I got the hairline exactly how I like it, I did put this new and improved Nadula hair melt belt on top, and I'm gonna let the hairline set and dry and all of the things while we work on the rest of the unit. So as you guys can see, I'm just going going to go ahead and pull the curls apart with my fingers. This is my favorite way to kind of just do dry curls. Sometimes the dry curls are beautiful for like an everyday natural look. I love big sexy hair, especially when you're using like twillies and headbands for like a cute little vibe or a moment. So you can definitely like pick the curls out and just wear it nice and big with some big sunnies or some hair accessories, and this is going to be super cool. But I also want to show you guys what it will look like if you tame the curls. So I'm just using a lot of water to generously saturate the curls and give them that natural good old H2O for moisture. Once you get as much moisture as you like, I did go in with the unbrushed to kind of just pull the curls apart even more. As you guys can see, separating the curls with your fingers versus like separating them with a brush, especially something like the unbrushed, you get two different types of curl patterns. This one here is more of your wet and wavy look. So I did do this all over the wig, and as you guys can see, there was no tangling or shedding of excess by any means. And then once I got it how I like it, look how beautiful it looks with just water. Paying attention to the evolution of this wig, you guys can see you can wear it how it looks straight out of the box. You can pull the curls out with your fingers, you can brush them, you can add water, and then you can even add product. You can definitely get different types of curl patterns for different days. For today, I did use that mousse from Kiss, and again, this corresponds to that melting spray that we used along the hairline, both in the travel size, because I did have these in my carry-on for travel last month, and I have been loving this mousse. Again, since I got it in the travel size, I'm surprised that I've been able to use it for a few different times. Typically with the big bottle of Lotta Body mousse, I go through it so quickly, but this little one has been lasting because the product is so potent. But I went ahead and added the product, got the curls really nice and clumped, and then I'm going to go in with the diffuser from Bedeck to go in and just dry the curls and add a nice amount of volume. You'll definitely get this volume in today's humidity because it is summer, but sometimes I like to control my curls and do them myself at home and not trust the elements of nature to get how I like it, because sometimes outside can give frizz and this can give you exactly the perfect curls. So as you guys can see, my curls are nice and juicy and full. They definitely got a lot more voluminous, but I did not dry completely. This is probably about 80% dry, maybe 85% dry. But once we got the look how we wanted it, I removed the milk belt, and you guys can see the lace is definitely giving skin. To set it off, I did add my lace tint of choice, which is just the Ruby Kisses Mineral Powder Foundation. Now you guys have been seeing me use this one faithfully for a while, so I will be switching it up coming soon. It's been hard to find something to replace it because I love this so much, but I did add the Maybelline foundation to the parting. Here I'm just showing you really quickly that this one will really be cute with some little twisties going back. You can pin them with some little butterfly clips or just some bobby pins, and that's a super simple way to add a quick little easy style to your unit. And this is pretty much it, love bugs. This was super simple and easy to install and style. Here I am showing you guys the curls from the back. They are definitely luscious and juicy. And now we can go ahead and show you the packaging. This is the original packaging from Nadula. They did get a complete brand upgrade. So while this is the packaging I received, I did receive my wig a little while ago. So you will in the coming weeks be able to receive the brand new packaging. This is the original dust bag with the black and gold detail, as well as the styling brush that they included, which is really nice. They also included this mesh bag here, and inside we did get a pack of HD wig caps. We also received this milk belt, which again, we got two. This is the original milk belt, but now it has that nice tan with the blue. And then we also received these really nice press-on nails. Super, super nice and spoiled. And if you thought that was it, there's definitely one more thing in our package. We got this nice little cute box, and of course, it's a jewelry box. So how nice is that? Inside, we did receive this double stack gold necklace, and it does say Nadula on it. So this is really, really, really cute. You can wear yours all over social media, and you can for sure hashtag my hair my way. And that's pretty much it, love bugs. This one again was super simple and easy to follow along. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. I'll try to link everything that I used in the video down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share with your friends. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.